how to create a Gmail account for your child. So if you want to create a Gmail account for your child, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up a browser. Once you're on your browser, you need to just go with the sign in section. Under sign in, you'll have this kind of interface. So you need to go with create account, which is on the bottom left, and then go with for my child. You'll have three options: for my personal use, for my child, or for work or my business. So you need to select for my child. After that, go with yes, continue. Enter your child's first and last name. Go with next. Enter your child's date of birth and gender. And after that, go with next. Select your child's email, or you can also create your own mail address. After that, go with next. And now create a strong password. After creating your password, you need to go with next again. And now you need to enter the parent email or phone number. So I'll go with the parent email. After that, go with next. And that's it. Now you can scroll down a bit and agree to the terms and conditions. After that, go with I agree and enter your account password. Once you've done, you need to scroll down again. And here you need to go with next. And that's it. Your child's account has been created. Go with continue. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.